So today we're going to take a look at what Lakelyn's hobbies and interests are.
Yep.
You just stand there and don't move. We'll be back to get you later.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed to around the run today. We're really on our way. Feel like we'll soon explode. Got the good old party mode, okay? Soon we're on our way, yeah. And our friends join the title one, 'cause today's the day they all will join. It's great. We're really on our way, yeah.
Lakelyn, tell us what you're doing.
Making a cable guide clip thing.
On what?
Idea Maker is
Well,
the
your 3D
software.
printer.
Yeah.
And tell them what you're actually wanting to do.
So I mean, I just downloaded the file for the actual clip right here, but I don't really want to screw it into the wall. We just want to put like double-sided tape on that part. So I'm probably just gonna cut off the part on the right. So right there, I don't know if you can see the mouse. I'll cut off the part on the right, and so it'll just be the clip part. This is my Creality Ender 3 3D printer, and if you missed the unboxing, you better go watch that. So,
What'd you make here? You made that and put that on.
yep, so there's a fan under that, just so whenever I take things off the bed, no parts fall into the fan.
And he put his Disney pass holder sticker on there. And then you did that, or magnet, not sticker. You made this thing.
Yep,
What is that?
that's just a tool holder. This is for like clipping off parts of the prints and other tools that are for the printer.
Alright, and then speaking of hobbies, well technically this isn't Skylan's hobby. It's the sport she plays in college. It could be considered a hobby. We just ordered her this Lacrosse bounce back so that she could practice the rest of the spring and the summer. Actually, she's supposed to be playing right now, right? Your season was cut short.
Yep.
Does that make you sad?
Yep.
Yep. She was doing really well too. She was the only freshman starter on the team, so that was pretty cool. But anyway, so after she gets this put together, she's not even quite halfway through getting the springs on there. Then we'll see her actually use this thing. Oh, they do look like they're running. Bye-bye, spring. They fell.
They fall.
Yeah, well, of course they fell. Okay, let's see what it does.
Can you wait until I get better at it?
Remember, guys, she's never used one of these before. She's used to, you know, throwing back and forth with teammates.
She can't hear you.
So as she gets more familiar with the bounce back, she'll move further and further back. So again, it is just because, oh, by the way, she's talking to somebody on the phone. It is just because she doesn't have a teammate to throw back and forth. You're not supposed to? Aren't you supposed to? Move further back? Really? This is his other hobby.
These are my plants. I guess we'll go over them. This is a coffee plant. Got that at Epcot.
Which has grown tremendously since he got it. Oh my gosh, the bean turned into a plant, Lakelyn.
Yeah, that's what they're doing.
So, wow. So this little section right here was actually a bean when he got it.
And the one to the right is
Wow.
another bean.
And the bonsai he also got at Epcot. That looks really dry, hun.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you're gonna have to water that one. Okay.
This one I also got at Epcot.
Oh, okay. Where is the Feely plant? Oh, that's what this is.
It's dead.
No, it's not. You just need to spritz it. You haven't been watering
No,
it.
I think I gave it too much water.
Really? It looks dried out. So he had bought sensitive plant seeds, and it was doing well, but now not so much. And what's this back here?
It's just a flower, but it's cool. It's got the rocks. It's
Did it come from, you got it from a seed?
Yeah.
You grew it from a seed and now you're actually growing it in water and not soil?
Yep.
Okay, now talk about this guy.
That one we got. How long has that been?
It was your birthday. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. This is not good. Okay, so as you can see, there's these little gnats flying around his plants. Ow, 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 ow. I'm gonna have to go wash my hair right now. Crud.
Yeah.
Anyway, so he had stuck this up to kind of capture some of those gnats because it's really gross. That looks horrible, but all these gnats, we can't figure out where they're coming from. They're only here in his plants. So anyway, September, this is now April, that was no bigger than, oh my gosh, what was that?
It
like
was probably the size of like one of these leaves.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, it's probably, it was in some gel. It was one of Mickey's terrarium plants and it's done really well. Oh my gosh, this is so gross.
So that one I've had for, it's been a really long time. Years. Probably 2-3 years.
I think that one, I think that's the one that the
oh yeah, they live in it. That's where they come out.
Yeah, that is where the gnats are coming from. Maybe you just need to repot it and it's in the soil. What do you guys think? Comment below, because that is definitely where the majority of the gnats are. That plant right there.
Yeah.
But yeah, that thing was tiny.
It was tiny. It was in that tiny little pot and
yeah,
they moved it in there. And you can see it's already, all of these on the outside are all new.
Yeah. This summer he did hydroponics and that did really well. I mean, I still have lettuce in the freezer from the lettuce that he grew from the hydroponics.
So this one we also got at Epcot however long ago. A couple months.
Wow. Now let's take a look at his fish tank. Ooh, your bamboo up here is looking kind of... Why is it doing that? Anybody know anything about plant? Oh, well that's why. It wasn't connected. I was like, that doesn't look like bamboo. What, were you trying to root it?
Yeah, but it never happened.
Oh, okay. I was like, what in the world? So he's got bamboo up here. He has his air plant. Have you been spritzing it every day? Yeah. He actually bought this at Animal Kingdom. This is something he made with his 3D printer. His fish. Oh, you can tell the snail is dead now. It's getting, he lost one of his algae eaters, so
it's getting dirty. Like,
it's getting dirty.
Of all the plants.
Oh, yeah.
You know what's cool? If you look at that moss ball, the roots of that plant right there are growing through the moss ball, like all the way through.
Really?
Yeah, like zoom in very close at the bottom. You can see them come out at the bottom. Look at the one to the right.
Show me.
Over there.
Oh, that one.
You see the roots coming out at the bottom?
No, because I don't have my glasses on, but I think I can see it through the
see them coming
screen. All right, what kind of fish you got in here, by the way?
You got guppies. That one down, straight down, is a Cory catfish.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
And then just, I don't really know, we have a tiger barb, that striped one in the back, right there, in the middle.
Okay.
Then I don't know what that white one is. I don't know what that blue one is. Probably just some other tetra.
Yeah, probably tetra.
And then...
So how long did your snail over here live?
A while.
It was at least a month.
At least. Maybe 2. No, it's been longer than that. It's been like 3 months, probably.
You didn't have him for 3 months, did you?
Yeah, I don't even think I got him this year. I think it was last year.
Oh. Alright, so here is another one of Lakelyn's likes. And likes and hobbies is the fish tank.
And some other things that I've made is this dog.
You painted the eyes though.
Yep, did paint the eyes. This was the only little bit of white filament that I had, and I really like it.
Because that came with the
printer.
The printer. The blue he had to order
separately. This is a really cool lion thing.
Lion dog looking thing.
It's not really focused.
There you go.
There we go. So that's really cool. That came out really good.
I love how shiny they are.
Then this little seal is a bow tie. I painted the eyes and the nose.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed, so we're on the run today.